excited to be making more videos for you guys. I've been just not in the right mindset, but I am ready to go now. So today I'm going to be doing this makeup look right here. And this is with the new Juvia's Place palettes. They're not new, but I went to Ulta the other day and they had these palettes and I was like, honey, this is dangerous. I'm buying like 5 of them, but it's fine. So I figured I would show you guys how my thoughts on them and my opinion and how I thought of all the palettes. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to show you the palettes now just so you have a clear outlook on what they're gonna look like. I did buy 3 of them. So this is the Masquerade Mini palette. I bought the Zulu and I bought the Warrior palette. So if you guys want to see how to achieve this look and what I thought about these palettes, then just keep on watching. So first things first, we're going to put our hair back. So yes, I just got it colored yesterday. It looks so good. But I'm going to put my hair back. So I'm going to be doing my face first. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to be using the new e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And I'm sure you guys have seen this a lot. Jeffree Star did a review on it and a couple other YouTubers did. So I'm going to be using this, and this is the dupe to the Tatcha, is it Silk Canvas? That's like it's like basically the same thing, I guess. I just have moisturizer on my face, that is it. So this is what the packaging looks like. Oh. So I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna put it right in like my T-zone. Feels pretty nice. Doesn't feel like too dry, too hydrating or anything, just kind of like feels like a primer, so I guess that's a good thing. Next, we're going to be using foundation. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Super Stay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation, and I'm going to be putting that just on the back of my hand, and I'm just going to be applying it all over. Alright, so now that our foundation's done, we're gonna start doing concealer. This is the new e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. So I'm just going, and this is in the shade Light Beige if you guys are wondering. So I'm just going to be applying this under my eyes and a little bit on my forehead and nose. So next we're going to be doing powder. So I'm just going to take the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder. I got this from Alyssa Ashley. She says she loves this stuff. But I'm just going to be taking it and putting it right underneath my eyes. This foundation is a little on the matte side and I like to look, you know, a little dewy. So I'm just going to put it underneath my eyes and like a little bit on my forehead. Next, I'm going to be doing bronzer. So, of course, I'm going to be using my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And I'm just going to be putting it on with a Morphe E4 brush. This is also from Alyssa Ashley. She loves this. So, I'm just going to apply that. And then next I'm going to be using blush. So I've been loving this blush. It's the Kylie Cosmetics Hot and Bothered blush. It's so pretty. Like, look at that color and like the little shift. I love it. So I'm going to be taking that with a Morphe E58 brush. It's this big fluffy brush. And I'm just going to smile. And just put it on the apples. I've been really like loving blush lately. I just feel like it like brings out the face and makes you look like nice and alive, if that makes sense. And then I'm gonna be using highlighter, you guys know. So for today's highlighter, I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Ambreezy highlighter. You guys know this is like one of my favorite highlighters. It's absolutely stunning. Like, look at that. So I'm just going to be taking that with my Morphe M510 brush. And just putting that right on there. Blinding as usual. I'm gonna put some on my brow bone underneath too. Alright, so next we're gonna be doing brows. So you guys know I'm gonna do that off camera and then I will be right back and we're gonna start with the eyes. Alright guys, so I want to show you these palettes again. I know you saw them in the intro, but I just want to show you again so we can just have a little retrack of them. So this is the Juvia's Place, the Julu by JUVIA'S. Yep, that's this one right here. And when you open this puppy up, this is the inside. It comes with a little protector. I'm obsessed. I love this palette. Look how pretty it is. I'm like crying. I like want to use all these shades. So yeah, so this is this palette. So this is the Zulu palette. So this is the Warrior and this is what it looks like outside of the packaging. And this is on the inside, a little protector. Look how beautiful this one is. This is like an everyday type palette type thing. I'm probably not gonna be using this one today, but look how beautiful that is. Like, it's so blinding. I can't even like stop looking at it. It's like, makes my whole freaking life, seriously. All right, so this is the outside of the Masquerade mini palette, and this is on the inside. Just take a moment, please. Like, beautiful, absolutely stunning. I'm obsessed. Perfect. All right, so let's get started on the eyes. Alrighty guys, so I'm back. I'm in a little bit closer. So I'm going to start out with, I'm not kind of sure what look I want to do, but I think I want to do something colorful, like very masquerade-y colorful, because these palettes are absolutely beautiful. Okay, so I think I want to do like a cut crease type thing. So I'm gonna go in with the Zulu palette, and I'm gonna go in with the bottom pink shade. I'm gonna go in there with a fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna apply that on my crease. I literally did 1, 2, and that's how much pigment's coming off. It makes me so happy. I'm gonna take the Morphe M506 brush and I'm gonna go in with that same pink shade, but I'm gonna go like right on top of it so we can just make the pigment a little bit more, but I'm not gonna go all the way into my inner corner because I'm gonna add another color. There's absolutely no fallout as well, which is perfect. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with the mint color in the Zulu palette, and I'm gonna go right before. And we're kind of gonna like ombre the color in. So I'm gonna go right in the inner corner and kind of mix in the inner. I'm obsessed with this palette. Like, I'm hardly dipping in. And do you see how much pigment's coming off? I'm gonna do the cut crease. So I'm gonna take this Ulta flat concealer brush and I'm gonna grab that e.l.f. Cameo concealer and we're gonna do a nice cut crease. Alright, so I'm going to take a flat shader brush and I'm going to go in with the Zulu palette again. I'm going to go in with the yellow shade in the Zulu palette and I'm going to go right on there and I'm going to go right in the inner corner with it. Holy coludies. Do you see how much pigment? What? Are we like kidding right now? I'm seriously obsessed, and like how affordable these palettes are too is like blowing my mind. Alright, so now that we're done with the yellow, we're gonna go in with the orange shade in the palette, and I'm gonna do the same thing. Oh my god, I can't. So I'm gonna do the same thing and I'm kind of gonna ombre it in. I'm gonna just grab the orange and grab the yellow and just make sure that they're nicely blended together. So we do have a little bit of fallout underneath, but it's really not anything I'm concerned about. I don't really mind it. Some people don't like it, but I don't. In my own opinion, I just don't really mind it that much. So now I'm gonna take the same 506 Morphe brush, and I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna do the top shades on my bottom lid. So I'm gonna do the mint color first. I'm kind of gonna connect the inner corner. It's kind of like the James Charles palette where you have to keep building up the color or else it's just not gonna look right. But it looks nice because if you just put the color on and it's so pigmented at first, sometimes it just looks blotchy and patchy. So I really like that it goes on light at first and then you can just build up the pigmentation. So normally I'll go in and like kind of make sure all the colors are nice and pigmented, and this is literally only one time go around. Like, can we just take a moment? Like, this palette, I think it's the most pigmented palette I've ever seen. Like, I've ever used in my life. Like, I'm not even kidding. And the fact that it's so affordable just blows my mind even more. So that is one side and I'm obsessed. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put like a nice gold line up here, just cause when I do cut creases like this where there's different colors, I don't like to see that line. I kinda like to either put a black, but I'm kind of feeling a little bit of shimmer today. So I'm gonna go in the Urban Decay Heavy Metals liquid liner, and this is in Midnight Cowboy. And I'm just gonna go right on that line. And then I'm gonna go into the Masquerade palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Zola, which is this nice like light blue shade. And I'm gonna grab my little Real Techniques brush, and I'm gonna go right into it, and I'm just gonna put it right in the inner corner. Just to give a little extra something. Alright, so when that's all done, I'm gonna do my lashes, my other eye, and then I will be right back to do lips and we'll do the final reveal. Alright, so I just finished with both eyes and I put lashes on. So now we're gonna be doing lips. So I think I'm gonna do like a bright, I think I'm just gonna do like a pink, honestly, like a bright pink. So I'm just gonna be using the Too Faced Melted Lipstick, and this is in the shade Melted Marshmallow. It's this really hot pink. Alright guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm obsessed with this look. I say it every single time, but seriously, like, it's so colorful, and honestly, these palettes are absolutely amazing. Like, I am in love, and I'm going to be using them almost every single time I do my makeup now because I literally love this colorful look, and I'm obsessed. I just want to kind of put a PSA out there. Thank you guys so much for still supporting me. I was going through just a rough, like, kind of mental state. I was really busy. I do have a regular job as well, so didn't really have time or was in the mindset to really film. I'm really grateful for you guys. If you guys are still watching me and still support me, still subscribe to me, you guys so much. I really appreciate you guys and I love you guys so much. I really hope that you guys really like my new videos. I'm trying more and more to just have some new content out for you guys. I got a new lens. I'm gonna be getting a new background setup soon. And yeah, I'm just really trying to do better for you guys. So guys, like I said, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.